Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start analyzing competitors with SEMrush step by step clearly. Open SEMrush and log into your account. On the main dashboard, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Enter the domain name of the competitor you want to analyze. Click on the search button to begin. Once the results load, you'll see an overview of your competitor's website. Review the main metrics displayed, such as organic traffic, paid traffic, and keyword rankings. To dive deeper, navigate to the Domain Overview section. Here, you can analyze various aspects of your competitor's performance. Look for the Traffic Sources chart to understand where their traffic is coming from. Next, click on the Organic Research tab. This section will provide insights into organic keywords driving traffic to their site. Note the keywords they rank for, along with search volume and difficulty. Explore the position tracking feature to see how their rankings change over time. Return to the main dashboard and select the Backlink Analytics tab. This will show you the backlinks pointing to your competitor's website. Analyze the quality and quantity of these backlinks to identify potential opportunities. Next, go to the Traffic Analytics section to estimate their overall traffic. Here, you'll find details on user engagement, such as average visit duration and page views. Use the Keyword Gap tool to compare your keywords against your competitors. This allows you to identify keywords you may be missing. Next, explore the Content Analyzer feature for insights on top-performing content. Identify topics that resonate well with their audience. Finally, compile your findings into a report for future strategic planning. By following these steps, you'll gain valuable insights into your competitors' strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.